some distractions like that. As you say, you play off on the bass, then you come back.
I don't understand.
You play particular song now, but
yes.
Then
you go off.
Then like say you play something like maybe na lick na lick, but the lick will sound very
off,
fast and very off, and then you see him come back to the groove. I don't know how that thing happen. I don't know how to explain that, but
so what will be your challenge with that one? To
like,
come back.
Maybe to come back, like I want to know how the formation works.
You don't say in music, no note is wrong.
No note is wrong.
No note is wrong. It only remains wrong if you don't know your way back home.
Okay.
Do you understand? Just be like say I come your house. Let's say as I did Abuja here now, you they stay Ogun State, and I never go Ogun State before. I go Ogun State, go see you. Do you understand? Then all of a sudden, that day I just can't see you, I just come out. Do you understand? I just come out. I no tell you say see where they go, and you know say I don't come out. I just come out. Then after 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, you know say me a stranger.
Yes.
After 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, as I come out, I can't come back after like 3, 4, 5 hours. You know say subconsciously you go feel like say I know where I go.
Yes, actually.
For me to go and come back,
yes.
It automatically means I know where I went to. But if I go, I can't call you say Alpha, oh but I don't lost so. You cannot say somebody's about don't lost. You go say you say if you don't say you're a stranger.
Yes.
You can't do waka for street, you understand? So, and that is how it's actually applicable to music. No note is particularly wrong unless you know your way back home. If you don't know your way back home, then that is going to be lost and to be very obvious. Yeah. So, but there are situations where you can play waves and go out of the distance, but go out of the music. But the wisest thing for you to do is try to make sure you come back as fast as possible so that you meet the time.
Okay.
Yeah, that is very, very important. You go try as much as possible to make sure you come back as fast as possible to meet. If not, the guy will tell you your landing also will make people know that either you are correct or not.
Okay.
If you play some crazy ways, if you don't land well, I go know say you make mistake there, and it's wrong. No matter how crazy it will sound.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
So your landing, your coming back home matters a lot. Don't be the prodigal son. Come back home.
Okay.
Don't be that prodigal son. Come back home. No matter where you go, try to make sure you come back home. You understand? There is room for you. So that's what the thing they be.
Is it? No rag.
That's what they be. So.
What did I miss?
Nothing.
I stop at.
Come on for you. Any bass player.
I didn't play acoustic. I didn't brush the old still acoustic. Can't call it a match.
Like a. Papa, I did. As simple as sound like this. Yes. Once you just understand how some of these things work, you get that. Yeah. So I should play my one like this.
What your one lead you play now? See normal 1, 3, 5 days, or you add instead of.
No, they add like this one now. One. So I play. Where's my? So I play like this. Sorry. So how to play yourself? Yeah. So this is my 1. This is my 7. Right. So with your 2. Oh yeah. So I just. Sorry. So, do, re, right? I don't want to use this one. I can't use this one. So, do, re, ti. Right, so now you give me that shape. That's my one. Then come play for. Is that the sound, right?
Okay, I want to ask you something. We play like normal 135. What's like? Because I used to have this. I like 7. So I don't know. Like this one you did now, you played 1, 2, and 7.
Yes.
So which is like if you want to omit and put something?
No, it's still one thing with chord shapes and patterns, right? We have different chord shape and pattern. We have the 151. You understand? We get that 151. We also get the 137. We get what? We get the Z is dominant, right? We get this one. We also get. So na choice thing. Do you understand? Which is your 135. Do you understand? You also have the 159. We call this 159. This is one of my favorites. How will you call it one? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With your
Okay.
so making it your 9. So
This one is really nice, though.
yes, 9. This is one of my favorite chord shape, right? So 159. It's in the record though. So let's say that 159, and all of these shapes have their. Once you just understand, say okay, these shapes, if you play their major scale, do re mi fa sol la ti do on each of the shapes, you will have a lot of things to play. So let's say for the 151, I want to play my do for the 151 in that shape. If I don't want to play my do using the 151 shape, I can come to my 159 chord, you understand? To play my fourth. You understand? So this chord is. Yeah, so if I don't want to play that, you know, say in this shape, the fourth in this one is the. That's the fourth. It's a straightforward chord shape. So if you guys the changer, and also it's dependent on how you want to feel and how the song is sounding and how you also want the song to feel or sound. So if you don't want to play the fourth on this particular shape like this, if you even use your 137 chord or your 159 chord
On the 44th bar.
anyone,
Okay,
if you talk say okay for your do, you go play the straight one. For your fa, you go play the 159. For the saw, you go play the 137. Yeah, it's just dependent on how you also want to spell out the chord and how you want to feel.
Okay,
How
because
this
if you know your major, for is it
Yeah,
for the major?
no, it's also applicable
minor,
for okay, this is it now for your major scale. The straight for this corner. Down.
Yes.
Right? Now for the 159 shape, you know, see now, now we have to understand how it works. This is your do, where
Same. Yes.
yes, this is your mi. So now for your mi now for your 159 shape, you can actually add this one or to make it a suspended note too.
Okay.
Right, so do you understand? Because if you follow your mode, once you understand how your mode works, it will make you understand this pattern. So your mode, you're using a Ionian mode. So what you're looking for is a 1 and 5 and 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 1, 5, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 5, 9. You get. So want to come to your Dorian mode. Right, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1, 5, 9.
Okay.
You see, so once you just understand your modes, also
Okay.
it will make you explore the chords, patterns, and shapes. So when you come to your mi, these are mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 5. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1, 5, 9.
Okay.
You see, so 5 9. So if you add your source here, so mi, fa, your fa is this is shape, right? So
Okay.
is wrong, you play a mode, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Get it?
Yes, that's what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is making it your T. You see, so we don't get that now. You don't get your whole major scale using the 159 chord. This video don't be long. You don't talk master class. Don't worry. Uncle, you don't see that. As a bass player, try as much as possible to understand how drum rhythms work, because it actually make you play well. Because whether I like it or not, the drums and bass now brothers. And if you understand how the drum pattern work as a bass player, sometimes you don't even need to play much because you know how it works. As in they do your own, you will see the music is in the pocket. It get too locked. You understand? And you know go make you day to. You will not even play as a bass player. You play as a musician. And that is the advice I give a lot of people. So as much as possible, I say, don't play if you're a drummer, don't play as if you're a drummer. Play like a musician. Think like a musician. You understand? So learning one or two instruments outside your other major instrument is important. Hey, Mr. Fresh. Oh, I greet you. You understand? It is very important. Like me, aside the bass, I play the guitar also, play the drums, and at least the piano on the basic, at least 3-4 keys on the piano. You see, so I'm trying. You understand? So now the idea is just for me to be a better musician, not even a better bass player or great bass player, a better musician. So that no matter how you do it, because sometimes, okay, then when I tell you I do solos, you understand? I'm doing solos. Sometimes I will not want to solo as a bassist or as a bass player if I'm on stage. So now I just want to solo, or I want to have an idea of how a saxophonist wants to solo. And I will just pick up my solo like that. And you think I'm soloing like a saxophonist. And that's actually what makes me a musician, because I understand how the saxophone works. You understand? So sometimes, and it's actually going to make you unpredictable as a musician. You get? So,
I'll sit down for
so it's very, very important. It's very, very, very important like that. Music, you know, is an award on your own. So once you understand, and you see, it's not hard. You just need to understand what is necessary in the music. It's not hard. Just what is necessary. Now we sometimes they make it hard. Now we sometimes they make it look hard. And that's why I tell you something the last time. The older musicians we enjoyed those years make music look simple and interesting to listen to. Why? Because of everybody just holding a particular line they play. No busy lines, everybody just hold that particular line. It's steady, continuous and repetitive. Whether that come or not, you must dance. You must dance. Music they work with the subconscious. So if it's just like say as water they drip, if they pour water in a particular place for a longer period of time, it will full drum. Why? Because it's consistent. And so the music, once you don't play a particular thing for a long time, before you know, you start the.
They get the way I feel this.
You go just start to subconsciously start to shake
continuous
head.
that I put for my background, like inching or something. I go dream, I go see the thing. Because the thing don't enter inside.
You go just start to shake head subconsciously. So that's what you do. You feel me?
What do you mean by that?
I know that.
Don't talk about that.
Because of this,
Don't say that.
too fast for me. Don't worry. Don't worry. Tell me today. You will talk again.
So she said this is a challenge for you to go and work.
Yes.
Yeah, so.